Hello and welcome to this session on Git and GitHub. Today we are going to learn how can we enable to trigger a email notification from GitHub whenever there is any change or addition in our project. So let us begin and see. Step 1 will be we have to go to our GitHub. So let us go to our GitHub account online. Here you have to go to your repository. So I can select any repository. Let us go to this hello world repository. So you have to go to your repository, and inside that you will click on settings. Okay, so we'll go to settings of that particular repository where you want to enable email notifications, and here go to integration and services and go to add service, and here type email. You will get an option called email. Click on that. So it is integration and services, and we have to add email service. Okay, so here now you can add the address or the email ID to where you want to send out the notification, and then add the service. So in my case I will add a email ID like automation.qa.scl@gmail.com and say send from author and add service. So you can see this service is now added. So whatever change additions we will make in this particular repository, an email should be sent out to the email ID that we have configured. So let us test it. So step 2 is test and validate by making some change in the project. Okay, so I'm going to my terminal. If you are on Windows, you can go to your command prompt and do the steps as we have learned in our last session. Let me go to the project folder. So in my case it is located at desktop Java project. Let me do a git status. Everything is okay. Let me just create some new file, index2.html. Let me do a git status again. Okay, so now I will add it and I will commit. I'll add a commit message, and now I will push it. Okay, so this should get pushed to my remote repository, and yes, it has got pushed. Let me just check it. It should be here. Yes, index2.html is added. So I can go to my email, and now you can see there is a new email, and you can see this is saying this email has come from GitHub, and it is saying the message that we added during commit added index2.html, and it is showing us a commit happened on your repository, who made the commit, and what was the date and time of the commit. Okay, so this is how we can enable email notification from GitHub whenever there is any change in our GitHub project. Hope you like it. Thank you.